iPhone 15 Ultra will be the most expensive smartphone ever made by Apple. It's getting titanium build for offering a premium look and feel. And since the titanium is 45% lighter than stainless steel but still just as strong, it might also solve some of the issues of iPhone users that complains about the Pro Max model being too heavy and unwieldy with one hand. The device could also get quad camera setup on rear for an additional telephoto lens, and there is also possibility of dual camera setup on front for improving the selfie quality. So technically, it could have total of 6 cameras, and yes, the device will also support 8K video recording. But if we're really talking about the 8K video recording, you'll need more storage to store the file. So this time, the iPhone 15 Ultra will have a base storage of 256 GB, which will go all the way up to 2 TB. Apple will use the unannounced A17 Bionic chip for powering the device, and it could have slightly bigger battery with faster charging support. And speaking of faster charging support, Apple will finally replace the Lightning ports with USB-C, which will increase the data transfer speed of the device. Apple will announce the iPhone 15 Ultra in the September of 2023, and it could have a starting price of $1,199.
4 reasons why you might want to go with a regular iPhone 13 over the iPhone 13 Pro. Number 1 is it's a lot lighter, making it more comfortable to hold, especially when it's in landscape. I mean, your pinky deserves better. Number 2, the camera module in the back doesn't protrude anywhere near as much, which means it picks up way less pocket lens, helping the phone stay looking cleaner when you're wearing a case. 3, there are more color options available on the standard models compared to the Pro models, with the colors available also popping a bit more. And number 4, of course, is it's $200 cheaper. That's enough to buy a pair of AirPods or even an Apple Watch, which together can make for a better package than the iPhone 13 Pro alone.